Welcome to our channel. Today we how to restore Salesforce Flow automation after metadata deployment step by step clearly. First, access your Salesforce organization. Navigate to the setup menu by clicking the gear icon in the upper right corner. In the quick find box, type flows and select flows under process automation. Locate the flow you want to restore. Check the status of the flow to confirm it is deactivated after the metadata deployment. Click on the flow name to open the flow details page. Review the flow's version history to identify the most recent active version. If necessary, click on View Versions to see all available versions of the flow. Select the latest active version that matches your requirements. Click on the Activate button to restore the selected flow version. Confirm your action in the pop-up dialog. Once activated, return to the flow details page to verify the status. Ensure the flow shows as active in the flow status section. Test the flow to confirm it functions as intended after the restoration. Check for any errors or unexpected behavior during the testing phase. If there are issues, review the flow logic and settings for potential adjustments. Once satisfied with the flow's performance, the restoration process is complete. If the page does not load, refresh the browser or try again in a private or incognito window. Make sure you are using the correct email address, then retype it carefully to avoid small typos. If your password is not accepted, use the reset option and create a new strong password you can remember. Check your spam folder for verification or security emails, then complete any requested confirmation steps. Enable two-factor authentication if available to improve account security and reduce unauthorized access risk. After signing in, review your profile details so your contact information and settings are accurate and current. If you see an error message, note it down and try again after restarting your device and internet connection. Log out when you finish, especially on shared devices, to keep your account and payment information secure. If the page does not load, refresh the browser or try again in a private or incognito window. Make sure you are using the correct email address, then retype it carefully to avoid small typos. If your password is not accepted, use the reset option and create a new strong password you can remember. Don't forget to like this video and subscribe to our channel for more step-by-step tech guides.